Welcome back to In My Element. My name is Steven Aldaco and I've been living inside of my Honda Element for the past 6 years. For today's adventure, I'm taking my friend Summer to the Grand Canyon. She's never been before, so I'm super excited to show her around and show her what it's like to live in the Honda Element. So sit back, relax, and let's camp. Check it out.
Oh my. It's amazing.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Oh wow. I'll look for a minute.
What's that?
I just want to look for a minute.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Pretty sweet, huh?
Oh my god. That's amazing.
What time is it?
Time for eggs? I don't actually know what time it is.
I think it's like 3.
Between 3 and 4, I bet. Perfect time for breakfast.
That's right. I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
After that hike.
Yeah.
That feels really good. Yeah.
Yeah, there's something with food.
Thank you so much for making the eggs and
Thanks for
the
the
veggies.
coffee.
My pleasure.
Yeah, it's gonna feel amazing.
What do you think of the Grand Canyon?
Fucking brilliant. Really, really beautiful. Like overwhelmingly beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to do the other side tomorrow. And we'll go around it on the top.
Ooh, that's
I
fun.
can't wait for pancakes.
It's gonna feel amazing.
I know.
Let's make pancakes. I'm just freeballing this. Do it until it looks right. Just add water, stir until it reaches a nice consistency, and that's it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's it.
Really?
Yeah, completely. Told you it was very easy. I think it's harder if you're making the batter from scratch, but just packaged stuff. Usually the first one comes out like shit. I don't know why, it just does. And then after that, you're golden.
Melting the butter.
Very good. Important step.
Simple pancake.
We're making a big ass pancake, Steve.
Alright, well I'm just gonna make the pancake the size of this skillet. Right? That makes sense.
Why not? Or let's like look underneath it a little bit, but I think you're gonna be good.
Oh yeah.
That's ready.
Ready. Okay, here we go. Oh my god.
The bigger they are, the better they are.
Just stuck on the bottom there. It's okay.
You got this. You got it. Golden brown?
Yeah. That's perfect. That's good.
That's a good sign.
Much slower.
That helps. Do a little more butter too. Sweeten. That can be a good pancake.
Pancakes out in the Grand Canyon. Ooh, this is perfect. Mmm. That is so good. Wow. Give us a taste test.
Probably the best pancake I've ever had.
No joke.
No joke. Turned out amazing.
Don't let me down. Oh, she done me. She done me good.
That's the one.
That's the one. There we go.
That's the one. That
There we
was
go.
awesome.
Thank you.
What are you making?
Carrots.
Can I see?
Very fancy.
Ooh.
Butter, salt, pepper, carrots.
You're natural.
Such a natural. Thank you.
This has turned into an outdoor cooking show.
I would watch that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks fabulous.
Go for it.
Nice. Let's toss it on the fire.
What?
Nice. Our veggies, perfectly cooked salmon in there, and I'm stoked. Ready to eat?
Ready.
Let's do it. Unwrap that bad boy. Oh yeah. That's good. Oh dang.
Nice.
Wow. Nice.
That looks amazing.
That was really good. That's our setup. That's wild. Let's give it a try. Oh man. Mmm. Wow. Wow. Oh, this tastes so good and so fresh. And look at this giant plate of vegetables here. Look at that. Zucchini, carrots. Nice work. Mmm. Yeah, this feels so good. Guaranteed there will be comments. People.
Of my cutting.
It's a very sharp knife. I got off of Amazon, so
Oh yeah.
careful.
Shouldn't
I
mess
paid
around
top
with that.
dollar for that thing.
Top dollar.
Yeah. Ooh, Nutella time.
Oh.
Oh crap! Oops.
Oh. Okay. We'll work on this. That's most of it. Oh.
It's like a little turd.